shows some of the unique features of the manufacturing and installation processes of the Elcon building system, as used for the construction of 106 affordable homes at Team Homes Parmenter Street project in Bethnal Green, London. Some 1,400 Elcon L-shaped wall panels have been made for the project at our Elcon factory in East London, and what follows shows how these panels have been made and installed. The reinforcing cage fabricators work from Elcon component drawings to cut the fabric reinforcements to the correct size and shape as designed for each individual panel. The cages are then lifted into the battery mould cells by crane and accurately secured in the correct position in the casting cell. Plastic wheel spacers are clipped to the reinforcement to make sure the reinforcement receives the specified cover of concrete. The door and window openings are formed with rigid timber or steel formers, accurately held in position in the cells with industrial magnets. With the reinforcement now placed and secured in the casting cells of the Elcon battery mould, the cell can be closed and bolted up in readiness for the concrete pour. For the Parmenter Street project, self-compacting concrete was supplied from a nearby batching facility. Unlike conventional concrete, no vibrators are used in the placement. This is because self-compacting concrete uses fine aggregates and plasticizers in a wet mix which produces a high-quality finish without air entrapment. With just 2 men, all 14 cells can be filled in half the time it takes using vibrated concrete. The moulds are opened up at the start of each day shift. The panels are lifted out and then placed in the stacking yard and left to cure for 24 hours. Site operations will call off panels in sequence as required to suit the day's installation program. The called off panels are then taken from the stacking yard and loaded in the required sequence onto low loaders for delivery to the site. As they arrive, the panels are taken directly off the trailers by tower cranes to be placed in position. Panel installation starts with panels being carefully lifted off the trailers whilst the engineers make ready with laser levels to ensure that panels are placed accurately in position. High dimensional accuracy is achieved by the Elcon battery moulds, and this has to be matched in the site installation. A 4-man team is capable of placing and bedding a large Elcon panel in just 15 minutes. After placement, the panels are fully grouted and joint sealed to form an airtight structure. Windows can be fitted accurately into pre-formed Elcon openings. At Parmenter Street, the Elcon floors incorporate hot water underfloor heating. This makes for high energy efficiency when used in an Elcon mass concrete structure. Staircases can also be formed accurately in precast concrete. Underground car parking is provided at Parmenter Street using Elcon panels in conjunction with an in-situ concrete transfer slab. At Parmenter Street, Elcon has provided a durable, robust, airtight concrete structure that has helped the Team Homes project achieve Code Level 4 status under the UK's Code for Sustainable Homes. This is a first for a London affordable housing project using a concrete building system. The Elcon concrete mass helps the building to be cool in the summer yet warm in the winter due to the heat storage capacity of dense concrete. This denseness also makes for a very quiet living environment for the occupants. The savings in time and cost have enabled Team Homes to provide quality fittings and an unusually high standard of finish for an affordable housing scheme.